Hello.
We're here to raid your closet.
Please come in.
Hello, Poona.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good.
I'll tell you this one thing. As soon as I entered your wardrobe, your closet, I was like, इसमें से कुछ एक चीज होगी जो मुझे बहुत पसंद आएगी. But I can't pick and choose. Everything is so statement.
Thank you.
So tell me the story behind your closet. Like, since how many years have you been building all of this?
More than 5 years plus, I would say that.
And how often do you shop?
Once or twice a week.
Once or twice a week. And it's online or offline?
Online. Finish my shoot, सब काम वाम खत्म करके, me and my dog Caesar were just chilling घर पे watching movie. It's like ये boring है. Phone उठाते हैं. Then went check. तो कल रात को भी मैंने थोड़ी सी
Shopping करी है. We're all guilty of that, right, girls? All
No,
of us
come
do that.
on, like, dude. I mean, we work so hard. You know, we
I
need
know.
to keep ourselves,
Look
pampered and.
I know. We're all princesses, just by the way.
Yeah, and we can take care of ourselves.
I know. And talking about being a celebrity, you're under like constant scrutiny, right? Media, यहाँ से angle ले रहा है, वहाँ से angle ले रहा है,
Yeah,
वो stuff,
there's some
okay?
angles I hate.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So there is something very specific that you hate, that you want to be changed. Ki, my God, guys, don't do that.
I have a gorgeous body, and I love to flaunt it, you know, and I don't like why sometimes people do like, oh my God, why is she wearing such hot dress, and you know, so yeah, that's because I'm hot. Yeah.
So take me through your closet. I want to see some of your favorite pieces.
आपके पास 6 महीने हैं? मैं आपको बिल्कुल पूरे क्लोजेट के आराम से आप रह सकते हैं, खाना खा सकते हैं, मैं आपको एक
या सो भी सकते हैं.
सो भी सकते हैं, बिल्कुल मैं आपको मेरे डॉग से भी मिलवाती हूँ, है ना? And here.
Wow, where did you get this one from?
This one I have got from Nepal.
Ooh.
It was very cold, I remember, and again, me being me, walked down on the street and was looking, and I found this
So this was just from the street.
just from the street.
And how much would that be for?
This is quite cheap actually. Now that I'm remembering, और मैंने थोड़ी सी bargaining भी की थी.
You are good at bargaining.
Oh yeah, I'm very good.
Oh, we're going shopping next
हाँ, we're very
together.
good. Like a typical girl. मतलब गुस्से से कोई भी भाव-ताव करता ना, I go like, नहीं इसका तो 2,500 है. मैं देख भाई मैं 700 में दे रहा है, अभी ले रही हूँ ना, तेरा टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है ना मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हो रहा है, but I would want.
Yeah.
So I go like full on.
Oh.
Yeah. This obviously I bought it from Balenciaga, and okay, now that this is off, it's gorgeous, right?
It's very gorgeous. Like, where was this? Where were you traveling?
Paris?
Oh.
Yeah, vaguely. It's an old one, पुराना है, but मैं इसको पहनती नहीं मैं ज़्यादा. इसको मैंने बड़े प्यार से ऐसे रखा कि तू मेरे पास ही रहे. जी मैं बस ऐसे ही देखूंगी, तेरी आरती उतारूंगी, इतना खूबसूरत है तू.
I know. And talking about that, what is your relationship with your stylists? Whenever you hire one, are you control free कि यार मैं ये color नहीं पहनूंगी, ये fabric नहीं पहनूंगी?
No, I always go like,
You do you.
do whatever you want to do.
Wow.
Because they come up with such bizarre, interesting ideas, and I love it. It's like, Poonam, you have never done this. Try this. Do
Yes.
this. Like, okay.
So you like trust them totally.
Oh yeah. I mean, they are experts at it. I mean, it depends who you also trusting.
Trusting, yeah.
Because some people are not very good at their job, so that's where you put in your थोड़ा सा, कि भाई साहब हमें भी थोड़ा कुछ पता है styling के बारे में.
Yeah.
And I've been styling myself forever. Like that's my most favorite thing. So yeah. Oh, I would like to show you this.
It's very interesting. What are these?
See all the glitter, baby. So this is like just a transparent one piece. Transparent क्या मतलब ये तो
Full see-through है. But it's super hot. How do you like style it usually?
So you wear either a tube tube,
Like a
one
bodycon
piece,
fitted.
a
Yeah.
bodycon.
Where do you get these from? These are all online? You find such pieces online?
Yeah.
My God, do you thrift also sometimes? Are you into that?
हाँ मतलब हाँ.
Because it's good. It's cool to thrift also, right?
Huh.
Nowadays.
Yeah. This one, it's a crop shirt with a mini skirt.
That's quite a quad.
By the way, I am a tailor also.
You stitch? You know how to stitch?
Yes, I know how to stitch.
Presently also? Like sometimes when you're free and you want to
Not presently because I don't have much time to do that now. But I can make a shalwar kameez, a frock. I can stitch everything, guys. I'm a typical tailor also. Yeah. जो किसी को नहीं पता है.
किसी को नहीं, मुझे भी नहीं पता था.
This is custom made.
What's that?
It is. It's interesting.
It's
right?
very interesting. How did you get the idea? Where do you get your inspiration from? Are you like all of us on your Pinterest?
See there.
On your Pinterest board making mood
नहीं
boards?
यार ये वाला तो genuinely पूरा मतलब दिल से ऐसे आया था and I was like ऐसा होना चाहिए ड्रेस ऐसा होना चाहिए तो या.
It's a very interesting silhouette.
है ना?
I see a lot of zip coming from somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There are a lot of zips and lot of
Yeah.
everything. Pretty nice.
Very pretty. You want to talk about this one? This looks like a super cool Catwoman look.
Oh, it
है ना?
is. Oh my God. And the fit, I tell you.
You've worn this before somewhere. I've seen
I
it.
have. In fact, I would tell you, I have repeated this.
As celebrities, people want to see people wear their clothes again and again, which is becoming the new cool, right? So
I
do you?
mean, there's no big deal
है ना?
about that. मैंने कई बार I've repeated. If I'm liking something, क्यों ना पहनूं यार? खुद के पैसे से मुझे पसंद है वो dress.
I know.
I'm wearing it for me, not for you. Hello.
As soon as I was entering your closet,
Yeah.
I saw this very big, massive dabba, जिसमें there's this very hot pearl corset.
I know which dabba you're talking about.
And you know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Pearl.
By the way, this is my favorite box also.
Okay.
What is this?
What is this exactly? Tell me now. Oh, so it's like a neck piece.
Yep.
It's sort of like a cape, which is
Huh,
so cool.
I can say that.
है
yeah.
ना?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do you get these from usually?
Depends where I am. I mean, I would buy it from some expensive shop or probably a Bandra linking road. Yeah.
You
And
go to Bandra also?
I have.
Just like all of us?
I have been there, yeah. I've been there. Because बहुत अच्छी चीजें मिलती हैं यार.
know.
You get a lot of beautiful stuff.
Have you been to Kulaba Causeway for jewelry?
Of course. Duh. Duh. That's like my favorite place.
I know, all of us guys.
Yeah, in fact, I'm sure मैं वहाँ पे अभी भी जाऊँ तो they would recognize me. I was like
They would.
उनकी बोलते हैं ना कि loyal client ये इसी दुकान पे जाएगी इसी दुकान पे आएगी तो I was that at Colaba Causeway. I must say you have picked some really good stuff because
No.
most of them are like my favorite,
I know.
especially this one.
Like a star.
It looks very pretty.
Yeah, I know, the red also. I want to really talk about this headpiece. This was one of the most interesting things that I spotted.
So I remember watching this music video of Beyonce.
Oh.
I was like, freak, I want that in my wardrobe. और ये मुझे luckily again online मिला. So basically you wear this.
It's a headpiece.
Yeah, it's a headgear. Can try.
This is giving us very 70s, 80s. Like very Zinat Aman also.
Yeah.
है ना?
I mean, imagine those days in 70s. From Zinat Aman to Rekha. ये diva ये है.
Actually.
इन्होंने सारी ट्रेंड सब कुछ इन्होंने चालू किया है. ये तो अभी रिसेंटली दिखा जो इन्होंने 70s में पहना हुआ है यार. My very first the Gucci bag.
When was this?
Again few years back I would say. जब मुझे नया मतलब एक वो रहता ना कि यार मेरे पास भी
इतना अमाउंट
Gucci है मेरे पास भी ऐसे बैग्स होने चाहिए And yeah, and this was limited edition.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
remember this one.
Yeah,
This
this is
you.
very interesting bag. What do you think of this?
I'm going to rate this, guys. I'm going to take this home.
Guess the
I mean-
price of this bag.
So, I think this would be around about 2000.
350 rupiah, Indian currency.
Poonam, I'm going shopping with you the next time. How did you manage to get it for that?
So I was in Bangkok, and obviously, you just step out and you want to buy things. There are a lot of cool things over there, and yeah, went in and obviously, वो लगता है ना कि bargaining में मिल गया.
I'm just like in awe of the entire look of it.
So this is, I think Steve Madden. Yeah.
Yeah.
Steve Madden. Yeah. And gorgeous as hell.
Super.
I remember wearing this on just a boyfriend shirt sort of look, white shirt,
Yeah.
loose.
Yeah. How old are those? Or are they fresh?
No. These boots are quite old. Good 4 years old.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you've
more
kept
than
it very nicely.
that. अच्छी चीजें हैं ना, अच्छे से इसको संभाल के
कि
रखो.
रखना है. And what about these ones?
Online again.
Okay.
ये भी मैंने अभी recently पहना था, first time. हालांकि इसको लेके काफी वक्त हो गया है. And I wore this on white socks,
Oh,
like long. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
quite a schoolgirl look.
Schoolgirl look.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say that.
So Poonam, you know that this is HF Raids and I cannot leave you without stealing something from your closet.
Okay.
So what is that something that you're giving up?
Because I know that HF would give it to a gorgeous fan of mine.
Yes.
Considering that, I'm going to give you one of my something जो मेरे दिल के करीब है.
Okay.
मैं आपको वो चीज़ दूँगी.
Okay.
Alright. This piece. बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा पीस है guys. और I'm glad that ये मेरे किसी फैन के पास जाएगा.
Definitely.
कि मैं बिल्कुल चाहूँगी कि जिसके भी पास जाए प्लीज पहने और use it.
Tag Poonam also.
Please tag me, yes. And it was all fun. मुझे बहुत मजा आया तुम लोग के साथ यहाँ पे.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Bye guys.